A few months ago, you told an AI chatbot something private. You closed the chat, you moved on, and you forgot all about it. It didn't. Somewhere, that conversation is still written down, every single word. And deleting the chat doesn't erase everything. Here's what actually does. Picture a friend you love talking to. They're helpful, they're patient, they're always there. But this friend writes down every conversation you've ever had, every question, every worry, every secret, straight into a notebook. And they never, ever throw the notebook away. That's an AI chatbot, a great listener with permanent notes. Here's the part most people miss. Your words don't just sit in one place, they stick in three. First, the pages. Your chat history, every conversation saved in a list. Second, a little card about you. The friend skims your chats and writes down facts, your name, your job, what's on your mind. Most chatbots call that card memory. Third, the friend's own head. On many services, your chats can become lessons, used to train the AI itself. 3 copies of what you said, 3 different switches. And that second copy, the card, is where it gets creepy. Weeks later, you ask it for dinner ideas. And the answer quietly feeds that health worry you mentioned once, months ago. It remembered that on its own. You never asked it to write that down. And here's the catch. Deleting a chat doesn't erase the card. You can tear out the page, the facts copied from it stay behind. The good news? That card comes with an eraser. We'll get there. So, what does the delete button actually delete? The chat disappears from your list right away. But behind the scenes, most services keep it for about a month, a short stay in the back room, mostly to check for abuse. Then it's truly gone, unless it already became a lesson. If your chats were used for training, those words are part of how the friend thinks now. You can burn the notebook, but you can't make them unlearn it. Which is why the switches matter most before you speak, so here they are. Time to make it forget. 4 switches. 1. Open the memory page. It lists every fact saved about you. Delete the ones you don't like, or wipe the whole card clean. And if you turn memory off, remember, that alone doesn't erase what's already there. Clear the card too. 2. Find the training switch. Usually one toggle names something like improve the model and turn it off. On many services it starts switched on, so it's worth a look. 3. Delete the old chats you wouldn't want kept, gone from your list today, truly gone in about a month. 4. For anything really sensitive, use the temporary chat mode. It skips the notebook, skips the card, skips the lessons. Or keep the most private things for yourself. A conversation that's never written down never needs forgetting. Memory, training, old chats, temporary. That's the whole routine. So an AI chatbot really is that friend with the notebook. Wonderful to talk to, and it writes everything down. You can't stop the notes, but you can erase the card, close the lessons, and tear out the pages. And the most private things? Those can stay yours. If someone you know tells an AI everything, send them this. Calm and simple. I'll see you in the next one.